This is going to be a video product review of the KitchenAid 5-Ply Clad stainless steel wok. This thing weighs like 13 pounds. Check out my channel. I already did a video maybe a year ago. I bought the Tefal wok from Bed Bath & Beyond, and it's a 14-inch. Let me do a little bit of talking. If you don't want to hear talking, go find another channel because I don't have time for that. I've got a 14-inch. I've got a gas range. The gas range doesn't put out enough heat. If it doesn't put out enough heat and you've got a big wok, can I say that? If you have a big wok without a lot of heat, it doesn't cook as a stir fry. It kind of slow cooks. On an electric range, that 14-inch does really good. On my gas stove, it should do good. It doesn't. But it's not big enough, so I bought this KitchenAid 5-Ply Clad 15-inch wok, 38 centimeters for my international friends. And I'm going to test this out today. I bought it from Costco. KitchenAid, America brand since 1919. Okay, that's in Spanish. I don't know Spanish. What does this thing say? Okay, so unique brush base, hides wear and tear. I don't really care about that. Seal rim protects from corrosion. Sorry that I'm reading this sideways. Induction ready. Works on all stovetops. And dishwasher safe. I would never put this on a dishwasher, even if it was safe. Okay, so let's go back to the English side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make some food. I want to say the difference between this and the Tefal is the Tefal has a coating. Good and bad. When you put the thing up, when you use a coating in a pan and you get the temperature really hot, that coating could chip off over time and then you have to throw it away. Haven't had that problem yet with the Tefal. I had that problem with another wok that I bought from Costco, a smaller wok. I did a video on that. But I'm going to test this out. Stainless steel, which means there's no coating. I'm going to have to put oil in here. I'm going to be using avocado. Your best oils are avocado or olive oil. Olive oil is very healthy. Avocado it's also healthy, but it's a higher heat level, higher flame level. So I'm going to test this out. Main thing is, how does it cook? How does it clean? This was purchased at Costco at a price of, I'm not going to say the price, but it was $99. And if you get it on Amazon, I'll leave an affiliate link in the video description. If you click on that link, I'll get a few cents from Amazon. That will help me out. But over there, I think it's about $125. But I'm not going to say the price. And do the thumbs up, subscribe, like, share, you know, all that cool stuff that nobody does. Affiliate links in the video description for other things. But let's test out this KitchenAid stainless steel 5-Ply Clad. Going to go wash this now. Well, I'm going to take it out of the box, and then I'm going to show you what it looks like. Oh my God, I just took it out of the box. Okay, so they want you to clean it and prep it and do some butter or oil. I've been using butter on occasion, but I don't really like it. The oil is a lot better. This thing is massive, and I think a lot of people are going to buy this thing and say, what in the world was I doing? Let me just give you an idea of how humongous this thing is. One hand, two hand, maybe 2 1/4 hands. So this thing is huge. Let me go put it in the sink, wash it, and we'll test it out. First off, this thing is huge. This almost takes up the space. It overhangs on that side, and it almost goes to the middle of a standard 4-burner. This is heavy. I think it said 13 pounds or 16 pounds on the box. It's heavy. It's massive. If you don't have a place to put this, don't buy it. I don't even know if you could put this in a cabinet. If you put it in a cabinet, you're probably never going to take it out. If you do a lot of cooking, you keep this on the stove every day, and you use it as a main pan like I do for my Tefal over here, which I just made some beautiful salmon. Put some oil in here, and I put some onions in, and it's sizzling. In fact, the oil started to pop, which I didn't like, kind of freaked me out. This is the first time that I put anything in a pan, in a wok, and it actually sizzled, and maybe this is a keeper. I don't know. I've never seen this before. Sizzling, and woo, maybe it's a keeper. It is sizzling. I did turn down the heat because the oil was splashing all over the place. It got hot really fast, faster than any pan that I've used, any wok that I've used so far. Put a lot of oil in it when I started. So far, no burning. No burn marks, nothing sticking to the pan, to the wok. That is the pan. Let me say, if you are a small person, if you don't have a lot of strength, if you're a senior or you do not have a lot of strength, don't buy this thing. I lifted this thing up on the side to put the food into my Tefal because I'm going to do the noodles and the tofu separately. This thing is heavy, and you better have some very good gloves that can handle, like the barbecue gloves that can handle 500 degrees. The handles are burning hot. They will burn. I was looking for the handle on the Tefal because I'm so used to that. This thing, you would burn your hand apart if you did not have gloves. So I was able to turn it upside down or tilt it to get all the food into here. It's very heavy. That was probably a smart thing that I moved everything out of the pan. I've got 2 packages of vegan noodles, 2 packages of firm tofu, and 2 packages of bean sprouts. So far, no sticking. I've got this thing up almost as high as it can go. There's so much food in here now. I was just going to go here and grab that. If I did that, I would fry my hand. That's the one thing I don't like about this, is that you always want to go and grab the handle. Oh, that's, the heat transfer, the heat conduction on this pan is really good. Things are starting to, this is too dry right now. I'm going to go put some sodium, that's what it is. I'm going to put some soy sauce in here. I'll be back. I put on the gloves so I don't hurt myself. You can see the oil is bubbling over there, right over here. Now we've got food sticking. Those are the vegan noodles sticking. Everything's boiling away. Let me shut this thing off before I hurt myself. I've got my barbecue gloves over here, and they are burning hot from holding the handle. As I said, I use the Tefal 14-inch. This is a joy to cook with because it's huge. It's really big. And I don't have to worry about the food spilling over the, well, something fell over. I don't have to worry about the food spilling out. So, as far as 15-inch, oh ladies, 15-inch is beautiful. Let me tell you, 15-inch pan, you're going to be very happy. But it is heavy, and these handles can really hurt you if you do not wear really good gloves. So, I like what I've got here. Let me go put a little bit more, and yeah, there's definitely some burning on the edge. Can I show that to you? That might be because I have the heat up really high over there. So, what's my thought on the cleaning? I don't know. What's my thought on the pan? I absolutely love it. I think on the video you can see all the steam coming out of here. This thing's really hot. What I would like to have done, but I didn't do it because it's just, I don't want to make this take forever. Get the oil hot, put the tofu in there, cook it the proper way, take it out, put the bean sprouts in, cook it the proper way, take it out, put the peppers in, take it out, put the onions and garlic and water chestnuts and green onions and cook it and then take it out. But I didn't want to do that. That's the whole point of buying this pan. I can tell you right now, let's see, right over there you can see there is a lot of burning over there. A lot of burning on the edge of the pan. Do I like the pan? I absolutely love it. Do I recommend it? 100%. For the amount of money that I spent for this, I don't have to deal with this little 14-incher anymore. And ladies, you know the difference. 14-inch to 15-inch, that 1-inch makes all the difference in a meal for you. So, let me let this cool down. Probably going to take about an hour. And I'll test it, taste it out, taste it, test it out, and taste it. The pan, it's probably not going to be a fun thing to clean, but I'll deal with it because I like it. And I'm going to keep this. This is definitely a good buy. Thanks for watching, everybody. One final warning, because I was going to slide this pan back, this wok back. Get gloves. The handles on this thing are so hot. And you can see I'm struggling to push this, to slide this across the stove. With a 13, 14-pound wok and about 5 pounds of food, this is 18, 20 pounds. There's a lot of weight to this thing. That is the pan. Most of that is just sauce. It'll burn over there. Some burning over on the edges over there. I don't know what to say. Except for the weight and the handles, this thing is absolutely incredible.